guys, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. Pamela here. I always make sure that the water is not hot, so I'll use some cold water. And then I'll put clean water. I have already cleaned. Also the stems to remove the green portions and to make sure the flour is super clean before I put it back inside the bottle. And okay, I think I should put this one here so that I show you how I put it back. So I'll start from down here, and then I make sure that all the roots, they are all inside the water, and then I'll make it like round until I make all the flour get inside. It's very long, tall actually. It is very tall and very green, just because I take care of them. They're very healthy. So what I'll just take it round. It has to go round as the bottle itself, how it looks like. And to be careful that it will not, the leaf will not go, it will not look down to the water. So I have to make sure that the leaves are very upright here. So it is going down round, yeah, and I'm going to leave this part so that I'll hang it somewhere like this. Yeah, it is supposed to look like this, so I'm going to put it somewhere. With this another one, yeah. I'll have to make sure everything is clean and they don't block the bathtub as well. So I have to be careful. Yeah, there we go. I remove my flour properly. As you can see, it's already dark, and it means that the roots, they have grown too much. So I'll make sure that I take this part. You can see I'll wash now this part to remove the green dark color. Take this one. Yeah. So I'm removing all the black things to make sure that the roots are very white, so for them to get another space to grow. Yeah. Actually, for the flowers, I normally make sure that I clean them every, like, once in a week. Normally wash them once in a month. So it's been a month since I washed. Yeah. So just make sure I have to remove all the and the water, the old water. Also in my glass. I don't use soap to clean them as they're not that dirty. It's only the greenish water. And it doesn't stick because I always check on them. So and it's clean as well. And I make sure that I put back the clean water. And I should not put too much water since the flour is not too big, so I'll put it back with one place. And it is clean. And also need to make sure that sorry guys, there's not much of the water. The noise is too much. Whenever I put the water, I make sure that it won't get the flour itself. So, and then not forget to wipe the glass. Yeah, not forget this one. So I'll just wipe it to the water as well. They will stay in the water for so long. If you do that, something like black, and some of them they even go like green, and it doesn't look pretty, it doesn't look healthy. But when I do this way, I clean them, they look very good. And I bring the back apart. That's it. So, wow, old water. I'm gonna use the towel. So, make sure it is both hot. So I'll put to this level. As you can see, there's difference between here and here. So my flour, as I said, I always make sure that it's very tall. As you can see, it's very tall, but I have to make it get inside and fit inside the bottle. So what I'll do, yeah, I'll take this part of the loop like this. So this is what I will start with. I always want this part. I think this one should be, yeah, I'm taking it around. There we go. So I have made all the loads get inside, and my flour will remain up, shorting, yeah, as you can see. So just put it gently. Yeah, now that one is back. And another one, I'll just carry it with me. I'll place it here. Yeah, it's already there. And